Blending just got better with the Oster Pro 1200 Plus. You can make everything fresh and delicious with this blender's versatility and performance. The powerful motor impresses any chef as it blends through ice, grains, frozen ingredients and more. Starting up with an extra boost at 1200 power watts, it works with blending force to smoothly and continuously create the consistency you need. Smart settings are conveniently programmed to blend the perfect smoothies, salsas and milkshakes in just one touch, so you never have to guess how long or what speed to blend your ingredients. The wide base allows force to flow freely down to the blade, and dual direction technology spins the Crush Pro 6 blade in forward and reverse motion, optimizing the blade's power to blend all types of foods. Better blending tip: cut up fresh fruit ingredients and freeze in individual portions. Then just grab out of the freezer and blend up a smoothie in no time. Smart settings technology and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power to chop and grind with precision. Extra wide 3.5-inch blade system allows ingredients to flow down into the blade easier for faster and smoother results. 1200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power. 6-cup dishwasher safe borrow glass jar withstands thermal shock. Pulse feature for added control and precision, featuring